Saying, hey guys, hello, and in this video I've placed the camera up. So in this video I will show you how to do soldering with my friend Burritos. Yeah. Okay, so let's start. Here in my last video I was just doing that drive, so in between I will show you how to do soldering. Okay, it's not a big challenge, but the first
what are you
step.
telling that it's not a big challenge? It's a very big challenge.
But for you, not for me. Okay,
Your practice, man.
okay. Let's place the camera here. Hello.
Rivera.
Oh man, the tripod is falling. This is just a funny video, plus some teachings also. No, the first step, never ever touch this area. Okay.
Jal gaya.
Okay. And
Man, my hands burning.
okay, and there is a where is it? There is a solder. So what you have to do is just take some part of the solder, and there are a lot of fumes. So please, it's poisonous. So do not breathe in them.
Is this poisonous?
Yeah, man.
I just breathed it last time. Oh man, I'm gonna die. Oh. सच बता मर जाते हैं.
Okay, so just whoa man. First of all, just apply some of it to the wire. Okay, then apply some of it to the area where you are doing soldering. Then just place it there and just connect both of them.
Hey man,
So simple. Oh, sorry.
man, I just wanted to ask you. Do you know that which is the negative point and which is the positive point?
Yeah. See here, there is a positive dot here.
Oh.
That's positive. Now, just you have to do the other part. Okay? You have to do.
Okay,
Come here,
okay,
man.
okay.
He's doing. Burritos is gonna do soldering.
I am gonna do soldering.
अरे वो लग जाएगा झटका लग गया. First of all, take the soldering iron in your hand. Take this on your other hand. Is this shooting in the camera? Okay.
Man, focus it.
I'm just doing that.
Hey, man, have some focus in this.
Okay. Fine.
Yes.
Now, don't see up. See on the soldering.
Okay.
Just take the solder and just apply it to solder. Oh. Okay. Then apply it to the place where you have to do soldering. Okay. Then just apply some of it to your wire. No, don't worry. Now he's not having 4 hands. I'm doing it. Okay, so let's apply and just do it. Oh man. Arey yum! What are you doing? Just place it here. Yeah, and remove it.
I told you, man, it's very difficult.
I don't know, it's actually the wire is so thin. What?
You broke it, man.
Okay, So remove.
Okay. I will do it.
He is doing soldering. Wow. Nice. Just place it there and place it. And just let it. अरे यार
क्या?
Just let it dry.
हाथ निकालते तो वो भी निकल जाता है.
Just apply some more. No, actually, it's not done.
Did it burn?
I'm touching the wire. So he has done soldering. Means he has done. So actually, whenever you do soldering, please do not inhale all the gases. These are the safety precautions you have to do while doing soldering. Okay. Okay. So, and whenever you have done the soldering part, you have to keep the soldering iron in the stand. Okay. And use a fan if you have means the fan which are in the CPU. Just keep it aside, and it will be helpful as it extracts all the gases which are inside it. So thank you for watching. Have fun, stay creative, and I will see you next time with Paritosh.
Hey! अरे फोकस मान zoom out कर.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, and once more. See you next time.